Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to compare two popular air frying products to help you decide which one to buy. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven is priced at $149 while the air fryer costs only $67. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, the air fryer may be the way to go. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven on air roast, whereas the air fryer claims to cook food even more efficiently, up to 30% faster than other air fryers. So, if you're short on time, the air fryer may be a better choice. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven has a 45% larger usable pan cooking area compared to the surface area of the air fryer's pan. So, if you have a big family or like to cook larger meals, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven may be a better fit. The Ninja SP101 air fry oven is an 8-in-1 appliance that can air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, bagel, toast, dehydrate, and keep warm. On the other hand, the air fryer offers 9 preset modes such as fries, chicken, steak, dessert, seafood, bacon, veggies, dehydrate, and preheat. Both products offer a lot of cooking versatility, but the Ninja SP101 air fry oven has the edge with more cooking options. Both products come with a removable crumb tray for easy cleaning. However, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven also has an easily accessible back panel for deep cleaning. So, if you want an air fryer that is easier to clean, the Ninja SP101 air fry oven may be the way to go. So, there you have it. Both the Ninja SP101 air fry oven and the air fryer have their own unique features which make them stand out. We hope this video helped you in making a decision about which air frying product to buy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews.